My dad's never said follow your dreams, but once he said always carry a spoon. You never know when you'll find good biryani.
My dad always says, if someone is mean to you at school, just come and tell me or tell them my father is 6 feet tall. My dad says, if you're bad at maths, make friends with someone worse. You will feel great. That's how he found his best friend.
Can you imagine? We both work in finance.
I really wanted to buy these sneakers online, but Dad goes,
Buy confidence, not sneakers.
he has these lines and I just hate how they always make sense later.
Oh, this one's my dad's favorite. Start a recurring deposit today and never miss out on saving for your future, no matter what. It's all about forming the right habits. I still do it.
Next lesson, savings for retirement.
Whenever everything is falling apart, I just call Dad.
And I always say the same thing, beta khana kha liya?
I get so irritated, I forget all my problems.
See, it works.
Very funny.
I still hear my father's voice when I drive, when I play cricket, even when I'm angry. It's been about 4 years since he's gone, but he still replies to me. My advice, speak to your father while you still can.
Even if you fight. Especially if you fight.
Call your dad today.
Even if you don't know what to say.
Even if he just says, I'll call you later.
I always do that.
Call him, that's all he wants.
It need not be deep, but it has to be today.
Dads don't leave you with lectures. They leave you with one-liners. Strange ones, silly ones. But somehow, they end up becoming rules you live by. This Father's Day, IndusInd Bank celebrates all those dads whose words always echo in our heads and our hearts.